Today we are making no-churn Spanish Turrón ice cream. It serves 8 people, and the prep time is 20 minutes of active work, plus 6 hours to freeze. Let us get started. First, let's check the ingredients. 250 grams of Turrón de Jijona, the soft almond nougat that gives this ice cream its classic Spanish flavor. 400 milliliters of cold heavy cream for whipping. 400 grams of sweetened condensed milk to sweeten and add body. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for aroma. 1 pinch of fine salt to balance the sweetness. 2 tablespoons of honey for a sweet swirl. 30 grams of toasted sliced almonds, divided for topping and serving. Now we will begin preparing the recipe. Place a large mixing bowl and the beaters in the freezer for 10 minutes so the cream whips faster. Break the Turrón de Jijona into small pieces and drop them into a medium bowl. Add 400 grams of sweetened condensed milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 pinch of fine salt to the Turrón. Mash the mixture with a fork, then whisk until it is mostly smooth, leaving a few small bits of Turrón for texture. Pour 400 milliliters of cold heavy cream into the chilled mixing bowl. Whip the cream on medium speed until soft peaks form, about 3 to 4 minutes. Fold in about 1/3 of the whipped cream to the Turrón mixture to lighten it. Add the remaining whipped cream and fold gently until no white streaks remain. Line a loaf pan, about 22 by 12 centimeters, with parchment paper and leave some overhang to help unmold. Scrape half of the no-churn Turrón ice cream base into the pan and level the surface with a spatula. Drizzle 1 tablespoon of honey over the first layer, add the remaining base, and drizzle the second tablespoon. Swirl gently with a skewer. Sprinkle 20 grams of the toasted sliced almonds evenly on top, and reserve 10 grams for serving. Cover the surface with parchment and freeze for at least 6 hours, or overnight, until firm. Before serving, let the ice cream sit at room temperature for 5 to 10 minutes, then scoop into bowls and top with the reserved 10 grams of almonds. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. If you love this no-churn Turrón ice cream, tap like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell for new recipes.